Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns the business profile. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready. Once signed in, open the Business Profile Manager and pick the exact location you want to edit. Before you change anything, back up the current site content, copy text, download images, and note your pages and menu structure. This makes recovery fast if you need to revert. Now move to the Website tab to begin editing directly. You're now in the editor where you make substantive changes. Click a section to edit text, swap or upload images, and use drag handles to reorder sections. When adding pages, give clear titles and set the navigation order so users find essential info quickly. Make sure call to action buttons link to phone, directions, or booking. Adjust typography and spacing with mobile first in mind, because most customers view your site on phones. Preview each change before moving to Publish. Once you've previewed desktop and mobile views, click Publish to push changes live. This updates Google's hosted site immediately. After publishing, test every interactive element. Tap phone links, try booking flows, and open directions to confirm accuracy. If something looks wrong, don't panic, restore your backup content or revert recent edits, then clear browser and device caches and republish. If the issue persists, wait a few minutes for propagation and check again, because Google can take a short time to update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.